Vegan Kids. So today we're going to be making an item that is great for lunch or dinner. Vegan Southwest salad.
There are many different types of ingredients like romaine lettuce, canned chipotle, corn, black beans, tomatoes, cucumbers, avocados, which are optional, cilantro, vegan ranch, which is also optional,
and we have these tortilla strips that we like to add at the top or on top of our salads, which you do not have to use. And for your ranch, we are vegan, like you know. You don't have to use this kind of ranch, but you can use whatever type of dressing you want. So, let's get started.
We're going to have a chipotle dressing for our salad that we will make here today, but you don't have to. Make sure you wash your hands.
So, we had our mom pre-cut our vegetables for us, and she washed them. We also rinsed our black beans and corn together and put them in a bowl. And here's our lettuce. We have our cucumbers and tomatoes in a bowl, and we have, John is going to have some avocados in his today. I don't really want it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start making our chipotle dressing. So here we have our favorite vegan ranch. So John is going to pour in 3/4 cup of our dressing, which is our vegan ranch. Here. Here, wait, let's put this on the table.
2 day 3 day 4 a few moments later.
3/4 cup of vegan ranch. So now I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon or 1 chipotle, depending on what I get out, of these canned chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. So I'm just gonna put. Oh, there's the pepper. Ooh, spicy life. Now it's gonna put that in there. And let's get to blend. Okay. So John's gonna pulse this baby up. Oh, we gotta turn it up. How you turn it up? Okay, so you're just gonna pulse it. Just pulse it. It's very nice pulse. Pulse it up, pulse it up, pulse it up, pulse it up. We had pulsed it. You can use a food processor, but we decided to just use a blender and put it on the pulse mode.
Using a food processor was a way smarter idea.
We're gonna put it into this little Tupperware Rubbermaid container. Not sponsored, by the way. Yeah, getting hot in here. So put in all the dressing. This is hard to get out here. So now we're going to build our salads, and we have some salt and pepper to put on top. So let's get building. You can use the lettuce first. We have some tongs here. Some tongs. This makes recipe makes at least 2 salads,
or 3 if you're,
or 3 if you make tiny ones. Okay, great. We're just putting a little bit of tortilla strips on top of ours. You know?
And I'm gonna put the
Sprinkle
stems of the
some,
cilantro,
baby.
even though you're not supposed to do that.
Yeah, and we're just gonna put a little bit of cilantro on top. If you were wondering, like, when we were gonna put cilantro in, we totally, like, we knew we were gonna put it on top with our salad.
Our stuff
That
may look weird.
is a mess.
So,
That's some trouble there.
yeah.
So let's get to trying. So our cousin Delmario isn't here today to try with us, so we're just gonna try our salads, which I'm perfectly fine. So let's try them. This, we have some cups of water here because our dressing is happen to be on the spicy side, but it's really good still, so you can still try to make it delicious. Definitely try this recipe.
The texture is good. The lettuce is not too
Yep. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment any questions or recipes you would like us to make in the future. And don't forget to turn on the notifications. And we will see you next time on Two Vegan Kids.
We're not like those people on those cook shows. That's after they two leave on the plate.
Okay.
One bite, they know the
Two vegan kids.
And she does the I'm gonna eat. I'm good.
Two vegan kids.
Oh my god, that hurt.
Two vegan kids.
Wait,
Okay.
did you get that on there?
Yes.